everybody love your grandparents?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. How to make them happy? Each and every one of you, please say your ideas, give your ideas, how you want to make your grandparents happy, okay? First, introduce yourself.
R. Rudanya from 4th A. B. Ifra from 4th A. T. Sugita from 4th A. S. Monica Sri from 5th A. R. Neha from 5th A. A. Ananya from 5th A.
Okay. Let us start with Neha, okay? Okay, Neha, start.
Grandpa, Grandma, and me. No one can pamper you like your grandparents. They are the leading lights in your journey of growing up. The bond between grandchildren and grandparents is special. So we celebrate September 10th as Grandparents' Day, but we should celebrate and make them happy. We would like to share a few ideas to make them happy. Now I ask my classmate Monica Steve to share with a sweet plan to make our sweet grandparents happy. Thank you.
Okay, Monica.
Old age is a time when people become lonely. So first of all, talk to your grandparents regularly. Schedule a call to them every week or fortnight, or visit them regularly if you live nearby. Share with them what's going on your life and ask about their routine, general health, and so on. Remember their birthdays and other special days and surprise them by planning a party or visit them their favorite food. You give them cards. They are sure to treasure your little gifts. Thank you.
Okay. Sugita.
One of the easiest way to connect with a person is to do an activity together. This will help hands and be closer to a person. Play a game, go out for a walk, always your grandparents' room, or a drawer, or a stick a piece of clothing, or attend to a garden, or create a family photo album together. This activity will be rewarding for you as you may get to learn something new from. There are also many goals. Your grandparents may need help with you can voluntarily to do them and this could help them considerably. Thank you.
Very nice. Ifra.
Our grandparents lived a long time and the wisdom and experience they can share with us is infinite, so we must keep talking to them and ask them questions about their school life and how they tackle the many problems that came their way. We listen to their advice and experiences. They can teach you many things about how to dodge life curveballs. Moreover, you can learn from their mistakes and avoid the mistakes they made. When they were young, it will also be good bonding experience. Thank you.
Okay, ma. Then Ridanya.
Have you inquired about the health of your grandparents? Why not go with them on their next hospital visit, accompanying a person for a doctor's appointment or even being with them during a hospital visit can help you get closer to them. You will also get to know more about their health condition and will be equipped to help in times of need. Thank you.
Very nice. Ananya, what you want to say? You want to say or you want to read?
I want to read.
Okay, you can read. She prepared something. She is going to read it for us. Okay.
Try an old family recipe. Nothing brings people together like food, and more so when you cook together. So, how about making an elaborate meal with your grandparents? Your grandparents are treasure troves of old recipes, so why not work on one? Apart from equipping you with culinary skills, it can also elevate old memories and send your grandparents on a nostalgia trajectory. They might even share some old stories. It can be a beautiful way to bond with your grandparents. Thank you.
That's fantastic. Okay, everybody gave very good ideas. Okay. Yes, grandparents are really our treasures. We should respect and we should listen to their advice. Okay, wonderful girls. Thank you very much.